Hello everyone. So in this video, we'd like to see the marketing needs, wants, demands, and definitions for marketing, and marketer. And we are going to see the concepts in marketing management. Needs, wants, demands. So by seeing the word, all are visible as equal, but a lot of difference is there. Need, want, and demand. So need is a basic human requirement, like basic needs, like you would like to have a food. When you feel hungry, you would like to have food. And when you are thirsty, you'd like to have water. So you have to take a sleep. So this all comes under needs, the basic human requirements. So basic needs, all basic needs are coming under needs. So wants means here, I'm feeling thirsty. I would like to have water. But instead of water, I have too many alternatives are there. I can go for cool drink. I can go for buttermilk. I can go for coconut water. I can go for juice, or I can go for something extravagant. So, in the particular alternatives, which I can choose in order to fulfill my need, that is called want. So based on my requirements, I'm going to satisfying my need. So that is called want. So need is the basic thing, and wants are desires. Wants are desires or aspirations to go beyond the human needs. So a person so needs, for example, if you take the food to survive. So a person is needed badly the food to survive. So when it is comes to what, so I have to have the food, like, or I would like to have the lunch. I can go for the South Indian lunch, or I can go for the Chinese dish, or I can go for the continental dishes. So based on the culture, based on the, economical parts, so the needs are going to be, the wants are going to be changed. And the demands. Demands refers the willingness and ability of customers to purchase a product or service. For example, in order to for communication purpose, I required a mobile. I can go for a basic model, a Samsung or Nokia. So one means that is, so I would like to communicate so that I cannot go personally and meet, and I cannot communicate, so that I would like to take a mobile. So I can, mobile means it can travel along with me. So demand means instead of the particular basic model, I would like to have, Apple phone or something that comes under demands. So demand refers to willingness and ability of customers to purchase a product. So it represents the economical desire or a product or service backed by the ability to pay for it. So need, once again, I would like to say need means a physically need, a need which is related to this biological body. And a want, it is a clean. So a want means it's a clearly, for example, if you take, I would like to water, I would like to survive. So it's a, I want badly the water. So a water is a need, but I don't require the time, but I would like to have the water instead of water. I would like to take a soft drink or something extra. So I would like to create a demand for, smart winters in, so that I would like to add something other to the particular taste, that is called demand. So this is the lot of difference between need, want, and demand. Based on these things, the present market scenario is being executed. So what do you mean by market, first of all? So we'd like to see later what is marketing management. So first of all, market. So according to the Philip Kotler, a market consists of all the possible consumers sharing a certain need or want, be ready and able to participate in the trade and fulfill their need or desire. So market means it's nothing but a place. For example, I would like to purchase flowers. I'll go to the flower market. I would like to purchase vegetables. I can go for the vegetable market. I would like to purchase some ornaments. I can go for the ornament market. So that means kinds of market. I would like to purchase some shares. I can go for the, a share office. So that means the market consists of all the possible consumers sharing a certain need. So I have a need or I have a want, I would like to able to get it. So all the particular things are available in order to satisfy either need or want of the particular, consumer. So market means it is consisting of all possibilities and sharing that to the certain need or want in order to fulfill by the consumer for a money. So different kinds of markets are there: consumer markets, business markets, government markets, and institutional markets. So consumer markets we can come. So all the products and services or consumption or sharing with other rather than reselling. And business markets means here, for example, raw materials. I would like to also manufacturing institutions that are going to supplying different kinds of raw materials in order to design the particular product. So service provisions and also comes under business markets. And government markets means federal, state, local government organizations, or these are all the main buyers of the particular market. So the purchase of goods and services from the, private businesses. And institutional markets means, for example, so these refers, they are organizing or these are all the entities that are involving in providing services to the public or a specific group of individuals. For example, mutual funds or PF funds or hedge funds or insurances or endowment funds. So these are all comes under institutional marketing. And what are the concepts of marketing? So majorly, so the marketing, different concepts are there. The product concept, production concept, selling concept, marketing concept, and finally societal marketing concepts. So we will see one by one. So, what is product concept? So, product concept means in this product concept, marketers do not give any importance to the requirements and wants of the customers. So, what, for example, if you say, if you go to the particular earlier days, the people there, so there is no, it is right now we are in the perfect competitive environments. So earlier it is only monopolistic. So one buyer and lot many users are there. So whatever the products are available in the buyer, so in the particular buyer shop, so the people will go and purchase them and they are going to satisfying their needs and wants. So there is no other alternative in order to go and verify. So product concept means the marketers do not give any, importance or to the requirements of the wants to the of the customers. So available, whatever the products available in the shop, those products will be, purchased by the consumers. So the central focus to produce more and more goods and quantity matters, not quality. So in this production concept, so number of goods are going procured by the seller and placing in front of the particular roads, particular shop, the people will go and verify, they would like to purchase the particular products. So that means in this concept, the marketer is concentrating how to achieve the profit, means so they are achieving the profits through maximizing the sales. So the maximizing the sales means they concentrated on number of products. So number of products, more goods. So they are concentrating only on the quantity of the goods. They are not focusing on the quality of the goods, and they are not focusing on the satisfaction of the customers. They are not focusing on the buyers requirements. Only they are procuring as many as products and they would like to try to sell the particular products. That is the product concept. And this product concept, for instance, for example, see uh, the product concept is popular when there are no competitors in the market. So just now we discussed that monopolistic environments. So whether there are no competitors in the particular market, so what are the availabilities in the particular sales man? So we have to purchase those products only. We don't have any alternative source also. So for instance, for example, earlier days, the Ford company is the first vehicle company and it is commenced delivering more vehicles in the market. So the people purchased particular Ford products because only the particular product is available at that time. So let us assume these are all the companies right now. Too many it is right now from the particular monopolistic in the automobile field. Ford is the monopolistic company, and later on, the lot of competitors, so many competitors are entered. So now we are in perfect competitive market. So lot many products are available. Lot much of promotion is being taken place in different kinds of media, so that the customer is being educated and they can go for his demand and wants. And now we will see the production concept. So production concept began in the midst of 1950s. It says that supply generates demand in the market. So at this time there was no technology and no communication, and people used to travel very less. So in this concept, the salesman in the store used to be only the retailer and very few manufacturers. So they are used to be confined the variety of products, whatever comes in the market, and then they would have been marketed. And for example, say the McDonald's, they are the it is the fast food chains in general also aims to face their operations. So next one is the selling concept. So the selling concept is a very, it is very, very important strategy. They played very important strategy because it is based on it is a very weak notation that the company should sell whenever they are manufacturing instead of meeting the customer's demand. So, but in this concept, selling concept means so whenever the manufacturers are being rising, number of competitors also are entering into the market. So there is a competition is increasing. So all the business people, they are thinking that they would like to sustain. They would like to concentrate on profit, so that among all the competitors who sell fast the particular product, they will attain the profits because there is no that much of promotion. There is no at the time there is no that much of campaigning. So the sales concept focusing on that in this approach, the marketers believing that if the consumers do not like the company's product, they will not buy something else. And so they're going to forgetting the particular past, previous, or past experience also. So that the sales concept is based on the false presumptions, and the consumers do not remember their past buying experience. So, for example, blood donations and insurance policies come under this category of sales concept, and the marketers believes that their job is done after making the transactions. For example, see here, say in this particular life insurance or insurance companies, so they are providing the sales, they are providing the insurances policies to all the people. Once the policy is making, once the policy is making done, so that particular agent will not be touched again the consumer because he himself thought that the particular transaction is over. So that is only his duty. He accomplished that the task is over. So the rest after purchasing that, so how to utilize that? How can we avail the particular, insurances, policies, and all maybe at the education of the particular policy holder only, so that it is also being failing. And next one, marketing concept is arised. So marketing concept here, it's right now it is very much utilized. All the companies are utilizing these concepts. So they are not going to the consumers and they are not asking that to purchase their products. Here, what is that? Means they are going to creating the need and selling the products. So creating need and selling the product. This is the main motto of marketing concept, creating or generating need. Because if you feel it is the needed product, so you're going and purchasing repeatedly particular products. So marketing product is preoccupied with the idea of satisfying the need of the customer by means of the product as a solution. So it supports a very simple strategy. So the marketers do not search for any right customer, and they are build the particular right product to the right persons. That's all. So the marketers are seeking a bridge gap. They are seeking a bridge, or they are fixing the particular fulfilling the gap between the consumer and the company's product by creating a content of marketing and like interactive products catalogs. For example, so they're going to custom the made furnitures, doorstep delivery, online purchasing, and the food, tailor the different regions for examples of all marketing concepts. So these strategies focus on customer wants and demand needs. So in this need, so in the particular selling concept, they are going to concentrating on starting point from the factory, and it ends with the profits to the sales volume. Whereas marketing concept starts at the market and ends with the profits, and meanwhile they are going to concentrating on customer needs through integrated marketing strategies. And next one important concept is societal marketing concept. So societal marketing concept is based on the welfare of the entire society because it examines the strategy of the marketing concepts. And so what consumers so needs does not mean that it is would be useful for them in the long term. So why you need that want is suitable for you and society as a whole are two entirely different things.